everybody, what's up? It's Sky here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I create graphic design and lifestyle content. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own mock-up in Photoshop. Basically, mock-ups are important for any designer. Basically, what a mock-up is it gives you a realistic view of your design. They're important because they can clearly communicate your designs to clients. Sometimes it's hard to envision what your design would look like in the real world. I personally like to create mock-ups to put this in my portfolio just so that clients and viewers can actually see what the design would really look like. And to me, I just think it looks professional overall. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create your own mock-up in Photoshop using an image that I grabbed from Pexels. Pexels is a provider of stock photography and stock footage, and all the photos and videos on Pexels are free to use. You always want to give credit to the photographer or Pexels, but it's not necessary, it's just always appreciated. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and as you can see, I have my iPhone image that I'm going to be using to create my mock-up. I also have open my sunset photo that I also grabbed from Pexels. And the goal of this is to put this sunset image into the screen of this iPhone. So the first thing that you want to do is go over here to your layers panel, create a new layer, and we're going to go back to our layer 0, which is the image of our iPhone. Over here to the left, we're going to go to the magic wand tool. We're going to click on that. And then you want to click on the space that is blank, which for me would be the center of the iPhone. And as you can see, it has selected the inside of the iPhone screen, which is perfect. It's exactly what we want. Now what you want to do is hit Control C for Windows or Command C for Mac, which is copy. And we're going to go back to our layer 1. And we're going to hit Control V or Command V, which is paste. So the next thing you want to do is create this layer 1 into a smart object. So you're going to go right click, convert to smart object. And I'm just going to rename this layer, double click to add design, just so that, if you were selling this to a client, they would know which layer to click on so that they can customize it however they want. The next thing that you want to do is double click that layer, and it's going to open up to a new layer. And as you can see, here's the iPhone outline of the screen. We're going to go to our sunset image, and we're going to click and drag and bring that into this new layer. Now this image is a little bit large, so I'm just going to scale that down to how I want it. Perfect. Now, for other mockups, if you purchase them or find a free download, they kind of already have it set up for you to just easily import the image without having to do all these extra steps that I'm about to show you. Since I'm creating it from scratch, this is how I do it. This is the easiest way, but you can do it however you want. We want to create a clipping mask, and to do that, we're going to right click on this layer, and we're just going to go down to create clipping mask. And as you can see, voila, it has inserted itself into the screen of the iPhone. The next step that you want to do is just hit Control S or Command S to save it. Go back to our file that we have open, and there you have it. We got our sunset sitting very nicely into the iPhone screen, and it's as easy as that. So that is all for today's video. I hope it was super easy, super quick, and straight to the point on how to create a mock-up. Please give this video a like if you thought it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, or just simply want to share how you create your mock-ups, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. And hey, follow me on my socials, see what I'm up to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.